Welcome to Kind English Corner. My body parts. Let's learn together. Repeat after me. This is my head. I nod my head. These are my eyes. I see with my eyes. This is my eyebrow. This is my eyelash. This is my nose. I smell with my nose. This is my mouth. I eat with my mouth. This is my tongue. I taste with my tongue. This is my teeth. I chew with my teeth. These are my ears. I listen with my ears. These are my hands. I clap my hands. These are my legs. I walk with my legs. Good job! Thank you for learning with Kind English Corner. See you next time. Bye-bye.